Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Technoboy Aman and today I have very amazing product that is very helpful if you are living in a cold place like different parts of Canada and America. So let's unbox it. This is a heated gloves, okay? It comes with built-in battery and that can help you survive the harsh winters of Canada and America. Let me show you first of all the box. So you can see the packing here, SabotHeat. You can see the name. This is the gloves. Here you can find the battery. It's splash proof, heating. It has a retro-reflective tapes also, like a small lining that will help to enhance your safety during the night. Plus it is well designed and it has battery indicator also to help you know how much battery is left. It has 3 indicators and you can see at the back some more information. I have not bought these gloves. These gloves were sent to me by this brand SabotHeat, but I'm not getting paid for this video, so the thoughts and the review will be my own. Let's unbox this and see what comes in the box. So first of all, we get a charger that has 2 pins, and the charger is pretty long, so you can easily charge it anywhere you want. A small manual, you can just see here different modes that is available. You have 4 modes: red, purple, green and white. So I have ordered medium size for me. Wow, look how big it is. It's pretty warm. I have not even turned it on right now, but it's pretty warm inside and very comfortable. So here you can see soft leather here. So while wearing these, you can also operate your mobile phones, because the tip of the glove, like the index fingers, it's touchscreen design. You can see the logo of the company, and plus it has a velcro strap to just adjust it according to your wrist. And plus here also you can make it tight so the air doesn't go inside. Plus you can adjust it according to your jacket you are wearing. So let's check it inside. I can see there's a zipper. There's a battery inside. Let me take it out. So when you will receive the gloves, you can see this is the battery. So whenever you have to charge it, okay, you first have to plug it like this. You can plug the second battery also, then you recharge it. And company advises you to charge it fully before your first use. Take care of it. Be sure to charge it properly and fully charge your battery, and then you have to just place it inside like this. After that you can just plug in the connector to the battery, and after that just close the zipper, and now gloves is ready to be operated. So let me wear both the gloves. Yeah, I have to press like 1.5 seconds to turn it on. There are 3 indicators that will help you to know how much the battery is left. If it has 3 white LEDs, that means it has 70 to 100% battery left. If it has 2 LEDs, then 50 to 70% battery is left. And if you are left with only 1 white LED, then you are below than 50%. So it's easy to know how much the battery is left. So you can just get an idea how much more comfortable time you are left with the glove. Wow. So it's time to turn on the heating now. I have to press like 1.5 seconds to turn it on. So it's on the hottest mode right now. So you get 4 modes. Red, okay, first mode is red. With this mode, it quickly jumps to 60 degrees Celsius. So if I use these gloves with full battery, these gloves will last around 2.5 hours. So if I go to the next mode, the purple one, so with this the heat comes down to from 60 to 55. With this mode it will last around 3.5 hours. And if I go to the next mode, that is green mode. With this, the heat comes down more 5 degrees from 55 to 50 degrees. With this, if I use it, it will last around 5 hours. And if I go to the last mode, the fourth mode, that is white mode, with this, if I use with fully charged battery, these gloves will last around 6.5 hours. So that's a lot of time if you are out in the winter. So you can easily be very comfortable with these gloves, and you can do whatever you are doing, like skiing, walking outside, doing some leisure activities. So these gloves can be very helpful, because if you are doing something in the winters, if you are just removing the gloves for a couple of seconds also, after a few seconds your hands start getting numb. After that you can't like just put on the gloves and your hands will be heating up pretty fast. So with these gloves it would be really comfortable. So I'm very excited to use these gloves in the winters. It's already in November and I'm in Canada, and I'm very happy to have it, and will try these gloves and share my experience, my review with you guys. It takes around 3 to 4 hours to charge these gloves. It doesn't take that long. So after charging it, like, it will last around for a couple of hours depending upon the setting you are using. I really recommend it. I'll leave the link in the description, you can check it out. I'm inside, so my hands are already getting sweaty. So I have removed it. Let's turn it off. It got turned off. So how was the video, guys? Do like the video, subscribe to my channel if you are interested in these kind of videos, and please leave your thoughts in the comment section. If you have any thoughts, if you have any question about these gloves, I will be really happy helping you with your questions. So guys, it's all for this video, and I'm very excited for these gloves, using it in the winters. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.